Mommy, show me a little dance. That is so cool. Okay, that's enough. Now why don't you go change into your normal clothes, okay, honey?
Okay.
Yummy. Did you do it?
No. Come here.
Oh, look, it's a freaking little princess. Little princess.
I'm a little princess.
What?
I'm a little princess with no hair because they cut it off.
Wee!